The 31st District Court welcomes you to their official website, but have disabled their Facebook and Twitter. I wonder why. Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Since 1979, the court has allegedly served the Hamtramck community of Michigan. This is District Judge Alexi G. Krot. She is a terrible human being. Some would even say she's a cunt. This is 72-year-old Burham Chowdhury. On January 11th of 2022, Burham appeared before Krot after the city cited him for overgrown brush in the alley behind their property.
Burham Chowdhury, EN 21-03120. Mr. Chowdhury, say your full name. Mr. Chowdhury, take yourself off mute and say your full name.
Yes, my name Burhanuddin Chowdhury.
All right. You have a ticket from August 2nd, 2021, 521 for givenn for failing to keep the fence, walkway, sidewalk, or alley free of weeds, trees, or other nuisance vegetation. The first offense, civil infraction, you can plead responsible with an explanation, or not responsible.
Krot asks Burham if he is responsible with explanation, or not responsible. He explains through extremely labored breathing that he is very old and that his cancer diagnosis prevents him from being physically able to tidy up the alley. His son, who appears with him, usually tends to the area, but had been out of the country and was unable to assist his father.
Explain what time.
I am a cancer patient, very old ma'am, and I am a cancer patient. I was then very weak, and very weak, and this time of rainy season, I cannot look after this thing.
After Judge Krot hears his explanation, she rids herself of all human decency and empathy and berates the man.
You should be ashamed of yourself. If I could give you jail time on this, I would. The fine is $100, pay it by February 1st. You better get that cleaned up. That is totally inappropriate.
At this point, the only thing that is inappropriate about this entire situation is Judge Krot.
Sorry, ma'am, didn't understand. Like, we have to pay $100 by February?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am,
Oh, okay. Like, is it, ma'am, forgivable because my father is currently sick and we cleaned that after...
You see that photo?
Yes.
I am very sick, man.
That is shameful. Shameful. The neighbor should not have to look at that. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Yes, I am sorry.
You're going to jail. Mohammed.
The only thing that was shameful about this interaction is Judge Krot. There is no way that her behavior is in line with the recommended judicial conduct that she swore to uphold. Judge Krot lacks even the most basic common decency required to hold any position of power and should be removed from her position immediately. Her current term ends in 2027, and that cannot come fast enough. Unfortunately, this is a symptom of a much bigger issue. First of all, the state should have no say over the appearance of the property you own. On top of that, our society has become so detached from each other that no one knows their neighbors anymore. Social media and political echo chambers mixed with a fast food, get this, get that quick lifestyle has torn us so far apart that the surrounding community punished a dying man instead of pitching in to help care for him. It's disgusting. This whole story is disgusting. The judge is perhaps the most disgusting person of 2022 thus far and should retire immediately with no option to work for the public ever again. Yuck. A petition for her removal is linked below. At the time I created this video, it has 9,500 signatures. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Membership start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.